What's up, people? Today we're doing a little test on a new GoPro Hero 9 Black that just came out. I'm going to be testing the audio. We're going to get right into the audio samples. Currently I'm using a GoPro Hero 7 Black with a Rode mic setup. If you look here in the corner of your screen, this is exactly my setup, my in-car vlogging setup. Prior to using this, I had a DJI Osmo Action, which unfortunately I dropped about a week ago and it smashed. I was pretty upset about that. Here's a picture of that. So I had to go back to using the Hero 7 Black. Now, why would I buy the Hero 9 if I have the Hero 7? Well, there's a couple of features in the Hero 9 that just came out that actually make it pretty cool. So the reason why I stopped using the Hero 7 Black by GoPro is a couple reasons. Their firmware was always buggy. It would overheat and shut down too often. And it didn't have a front-facing screen on it. So if you're a vlogger and you're out and about and you're holding it on a stick, you had to kind of guess where the frame was or go back and post later on and fix it. And I don't want to do that. So with the DJI Osmo Action, it had a front-facing LCD that you could turn on. It would help you get your shot set up. I mean, here in the car, we're using our phone connected to the GoPro to set up our shot. With the Osmo Action, if I don't want to turn the phone on, I can just center the frame using the front-facing LCD. With the new GoPro Hero 9 Black, you've got a front-facing LCD. Okay, I'm going to turn it on real fast just to show you. All right, there it goes. Powered up, just like that, you see? There you go. A couple of other features. I mean, it's also thicker. It's got a bigger battery. They say it's 30% more battery life, so any more battery life is awesome. There is a media mod coming out with this. Currently, it says it's sold out online. I don't think they even have it available for the public yet. But the media mod, this slides into a frame. It has a built-in directional mic in the corner of your screen. There's a picture of it. It also has the ability not only to have an external plug plugged into it, but you can also do external mics, like the Rode mic I'm currently using here on the Hero 7 Black. So this test today is just to test two features, mainly the audio, to see if I can use this right out of the box in the car without it sounding like it's in a tin can. And number two, it has this auto horizon feature. So in linear, it's one of the selections you need to do. So if you buy one of these, the first thing I recommend you need to do with this, you can see our setup right there. The first thing you're going to want to do, right, is update it. Plug it in, charge the battery, get over 10% minimum battery life, and then update it. It's going to add a new feature. It's linear+ horizon, where it adjusts the horizon. The horizon will stay level even if you're tilting the camera back and forth. I don't know if I can show that in here. Let's see if you can see it through here, but you'll have to see it in post. But some of the comparisons I've seen on a stick-held one, it looks naturally level. It just, the camera adjust for it. So that's one of the other features. So let's get right into it, okay? Let's take this camera down, mount this, show you what it looks like, and then get started. All right, this is the camera, what it looks like mounted. I know somebody's going to ask me, hey, what kind of radar detector do you have? That's the 360C or 360 Charlie. My Passport. Absolutely love this. No, the lights aren't flickering. It's it's just the way the camera picks it up, okay? So, and then I have the Blackview DR752 channel LTE, one of the newest dash cams from Blackview. If you need a dash cam, check out Blackview at www.blackview.com/shop and use our promo code EastCoastJeepSRT10 at checkout. Highly recommend this dash cam or any of the other ones. And while I'm on the topic, real quick, we have a 4-camera setup. You have the front-facing dash cam, the rear-facing camera that's connected to it, and then I have a side camera. That's another Blackview camera. It's the new 900X 2-channel. There's the rear. There is the front, protecting my sides, 360 degree all around. All right, so let's power this up. Let's get our shot set up. And the next audio and video you see is going to be coming right out of the GoPro Hero 9 Black. All right, we are now on the GoPro Hero 9 Black audio. It's set to auto. Don't know how it's going to sound until later on, but let's get driving and see what type of audio it picks up. What type of audio with the vehicle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the air conditioner on full blast. Normally with the GoPro Hero 7 and the Rode mic, the directional mic, it does not pick up a lot of the air conditioning audio. I want to see what this GoPro audio sounds like with the air conditioner on full. All right, so that is with the air conditioner turned all the way up. I'm gonna turn that back down. I'm gonna get it here on the road. We'll open the car up a little bit, see what it sounds like. All right, another thing I want you to look for is the auto leveling feature. I want to make sure that the horizon or the background doesn't change no matter how many bumps, whatever we hit. I have the linear plus horizon orientation set. It's the new update where linear plus horizon, I don't know if it's boost or whatever they call it, but it's supposed to auto level. It's supposed to keep your horizon and the background set up perfectly. So. Another thing that I'm noticing is that the preview, once you hit record, the preview does not show up on your cell phone like with the other Hero Black and my Hero 5 Black. I'm gonna have to play around with the settings to make sure that I can get the preview or the camera setting where I can see both on the GoPro and my phone. Because even though it has an LCD screen, it's a very small screen. It's not large enough to get the full effect. What I'm looking at right now, I can only see about right here, like half of me. Get a chance to open it up here at the light so we can hear what the audio sounds like inside the vehicle. So let me show you, coming to a red light here. This is the camera setup I had a minute ago, okay? This is what we started the video on. GoPro Hero 7, it actually hangs down like this, as you remember. Okay, so you have the directional mic. I'm looking forward to getting the media mod for this particular camera so I can actually have it charging while we're recording and have a directional mic. Now, who knows, the media mod comes with the directional mic. It may sound good right out of the box. It may be good enough for our audio needs, but traditionally, I haven't liked any of the GoPro or audio right out of the box, except all the way back to, I think it was the Hero 4 or no, Hero 3. One of the earlier models had really good audio right out of the box. Battery longevity is another thing I want to check out. I want to see how long this battery lasts. We've only been recording for about 7 minutes. It has not moved. One of the other things GoPro was known for is real weak battery life. Those batteries were not designed for long-term vlogging. You always had to have like an exterior battery source, power source.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
You know what? Let's roll our windows down and see what the audio sounds like with the windows rolled down. That audio you're hearing is coming right out of the dash cam, or excuse me, right out of the radar detector. We'll pull over here in a minute, and we're going to hook up our Hero 7 Black to do some side-by-side comparisons. Let's change out this camera again. Pull over here for a second. All right, so this is us on the GoPro Hero 9 Black with the audio set to auto. We're going to swap out the camera again and go back to our Hero 7 Black with Rode mic. And we're going to do some more audio tests, some more comparison. All right, now we're back on the GoPro Hero 7 Black with external mic. Let me talk about my initial reaction with this. I just listened to some of the audio, and the microphone doesn't do a bad job, but I believe the Hero 7 Black with external Rode mic does a better job currently. So this is an awesome camera. I'm gonna have to do some more testing with it to see how long it lasts, how long a battery charge lasts in real world testing. I'm using 1080p, 60 frames per second, linear mode. I did have linear horizon on, but then what I noticed when I stopped, and I don't know if you noticed this, the horizon background kind of cocked a little bit. I didn't like that, so I went back to just regular linear, and it's got hyper smooth on. So this camera's going to replace my Hero 7. But I need a housing for either the GoPro audio adapter and Rode mic, or when the Media Mod is finally released, I can put the Media Mod on, and it has a hot shoe, it has 2 hot shoes, plus a built-in directional mic. If that doesn't boost the audio for me, then I'll have to use the Rode mic. But this will be replacing the Hero 7. For now, I'll just put it away, and we'll wait until the Media Mod is released. I do like the audio. For what it does, I think this audio is better. I want you to comment below in the comment section. Let me know if you like the directional mic plugged into the Hero 7 Black better, or do you like the GoPro Hero 9 audio right out of the box? Which one do you prefer? That's all I got today. Do me a favor before you go. Hit the like button, hit the little bell notification right next to that. Down here, if you would, click subscribe. I'll have a link in the description to purchase one of these from Amazon. It came in like one day, which was awesome. Last but not least, you guys and girls all be safe. That's all I got. I'm out.